Yo everyone, this is my upload video for Euro US dollar. So start off same as how I always do, monthly down. So same as GU, obviously we've had this big massive push up in the monthly. We've had a big massive push up beginning of this year. It's pushed up, pushed up, pushed up. We've not hit this yet. This is kind of what I was saying. I want to be the anchor. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's kind of what I want to be like the possible reversal. Like, if you come in here and we do start getting shorts, I'm going to definitely hold a short for a full year. If that happens within like January, February next year, March, that I'm going to see that as possible high of the year. I'm going to try and get in at the high of the year, and I'm going to short it all the way down here and try and get a monster trade and look proper cool on Instagram. But we will see how that happens. So yeah, the monthly open. Yeah, I didn't really obviously had the big push up. Nothing else much to shout about. So we've had a lot of like candle messing around in here, which makes you think it is now starting to obviously that were a big sell signal candle, and it's starting to come down. So I am within the realms. It possibly will come down, possibly to here. Like we are trending upwards. It's got this demand zone here. Um, And yeah, I think that's probably where it will aim for. It could very well just come off here, but this is just a bit of a messy. I want to see some like structure. Come to here, see some structure. I want to see like come to here, see some structure, like get some like demands holding in there, and then keep going up, and then target that. 2nd of March is what this says, and then come down, and then I'm gonna put a short on with a 2 pip stop loss. I'm gonna put a short on, what's that, 30 pips. I'm gonna hold it all the way down to here and get an 83 pip trade. What do you reckon? I'll take it. That would be a monster trade, and I would hold it. Oh yeah, I'd probably have to hold it for like a full year over. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, it'd be pretty cool. But yeah, you've heard that first. If that happens, I've been calling this for ages. It'd be pretty cool. But yeah, short term, I think it's going to come down to here, come down to these zones, possibly changing there um, daily. Also, we've had obviously this is like trending out. It's come down. That's like then broke structures come down. Then it's reacted. Now that's failed. So now we have kind of got like a bit of a supply chain that's kind of held in there. Then it's come down, then that's broke. So we could come up here short term. Could come into here. Obviously, we've had these breaks in here. We've had these breaks come down. We've had it holding here, but this very well could be holding. You know what I mean? I mean, we've had that initial reaction in there and it's failed. So that's me thinking, oh, that full thing is going to fail. But it doesn't necessarily mean that's going to fail. I just think that very well could hold now. This could be the hold if I push away and that could go up. But I am expecting it to be a deep pullback, take this leg out and come into here. That's just what I'm predicting at the moment. But we'll see. I'd always take these outlooks with a pinch of salt and do your own analysis. What was that this week? Tuesday, 4th of November. Yeah, so I got a good short in. So yeah, I did have a good week last week. I've been profitable for the past few weeks, which is good. Happy to report that. So I think looking at the 4 hourly, yeah, we have pulled back into this gap. We're probably gonna get something up here, react to this, possibly in here, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. Could get a reaction to this zone here. Let's not forget this. You could sweep that. You could just react in that, and then it could shift. Now that's my reaction. I think we're going to come up to here, and I think we're going to get a shift. But as always, wait for the shift. Wait for demand to start failing. Supply to start holding. If you're looking to go short, don't just take gospel that when it gets to these zones, it is going to fail and reverse. Just take it with a pinch of salt. We've had a good push away So it would be nice to sweep this liquidity into here and then come down. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. Keep it nice and short. I do think we're gonna have a bullish start to the week. Reevaluate midweek, possibly Tuesday high of the week, and then a reversal. But we'll see. Okay, I'll leave it at that. I'll see you later on, guys. Bye bye.